Lusu che luce nuova sta quando manca sole. Sei, non ci sei, tu con me. Time to say goodbye. Paesi che non ho mai veduto e vissuto con te. It's time to say goodbye. Quando sei lontana sogno Lorenzo te mancano le parole. Lei lo sai lo so che sei con me. Con me, con me, con me. Time to say goodbye. Paesi che non ho mai veduto e vissuto con te. Adesso si vivrò con te. Suonavi per mari che io lo so. No, no, non esistono più.
Marcelito Pomoy! Howie!
Okay, I gotta say that I believe that you have the best shot of winning this whole thing. I really do. You know, this is the semifinals. You raised your game. The woman in you was just as good as she was the last time, but you as the man, you went up a notch, and she tried to stay up with you, but she couldn't. But
Alicia!
I can't deal with Howie. Absolutely brilliant song choice. It really enabled you to shine, you know?
you know that's me judging right now, too. Hear my laugh?
Ignore him. I just love everything about you, Marcelito. So good luck for tonight. It was a fabulous performance. Well done.
Heidi!
Marcelito, I've been waiting all day for you to come onto the stage. For me, you are my favorite. I mean, it just blows my mind.
Simon.
Marcelito, there is no denying you have a very unique, incredible, special talent. So if you make the final, I think you've got to take a bigger risk, because now the surprise is now over. But I do believe that with a gift like you've got a massive career in front of you. I really, really do.
Give it up for Marcelito Pomoy!